What's up guys, thanks for watching. Have you ever wanted to know or to learn how to get this pure white effect in Photoshop? Just follow me and you'll learn it. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Prof DDF. Thank you for watching my tutorials. I hope you find them useful. As I said in my intro, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to give that pure white effect to the skin of your model. As usual, I'm going to be using some adjustment layers, blending modes, curves and whatever it needs to get the effect. And trust me, it won't be difficult at all. But without any further ado, let's get started. Let's start renaming the layer into Original. Okay, duplicate it and then you rename the layer you have just duplicated into Retouch. Now, deactivate the original layer and add a channel mixer adjustment layer. Now, click on the monochrome right here and duplicate twice the channel mixer layer you have just created. Once, twice. Deactivate them. Go to the first channel mixer layer and low down opacity around 10 or 15%, 20%. Set it at your like. Now activate the second channel mixer. The image you can see is monochrome now again. This time go to the blending option and choose screen. Again, play around with the opacity around 35, from 35 to 40 should be okay. To give more contrast to the photo, now go to the top layer you created before, make it visible and go to the blending option and select soft light. Now we have a little bit more contrast, as you can see from the picture. At this point we can play around with opacity till it looks like we want. Here it is. Now we move to the channel mixer panel and drag down the constant slider a little bit for more contrast. We go back again to the opacity of the top layer and drag down a little bit. I think up to 80 or 85. From 80 to 85 should be okay. At this point we can play around with the opacity of all the channel mixer layers till we get the effect we are looking for. When you're done, group the layers like I am doing and voila, before and after, before and after. You have just applied an effect to whiten the skin to get a pure white contrast effect. Obviously, if you think it is too strong, you might want to turn the opacity down just to reach the desired point here. From this point on, you can go on retouching the skin and the overall picture furthermore using the adjustment at your like. Okay guys, thank you for watching till the end. Was it difficult? No, it wasn't. As I promised, I tried to keep it simple, easy and really understandable, really fast. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and if you feel, you can leave your comment just below and let me know what you think about that technique. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my next video. It's that simple. Okay, just hit the button and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Okay, it's all for now. Till the next time, bye bye.